Hello YouTubers and welcome to Earn So in this tutorial I will show you a crypto faucet from which you can earn a lot. So multiple currencies are available and the payment processors that are available are Faucet Pay and Express Crypto, and all the currencies of both the processors is available to withdraw. So here you can see uh, multiple coins are available. There are good rewards, automatic payments are also available, and you can see that there is the faucet, short links, BTC, competition and levels bonus, and this is it. All the things that are available in an ordinary faucet is available here. So click on the register button, create your account and then log in, and you can see that this is the dashboard. Here you can see my balance is 2353 coins, and at the top here you can see 1000 coins are equal to 1 cent, and so I have almost 2.3 cents in my account. You can see that my level is 2, and the short links that I have completed for today is 21, and I have won 2 competitions today. I joined this site today, and you can see that my activity that is shown is from today onward. There is no previous because I joined the site today. So from here at the top you can get to the faucet. So from this faucet you are getting about 26 coins every 10 minutes, and there is no limit. You can claim after every 10 minutes, and these are the 2 captchas. Complete the captchas and hit the continue button. So you can see that I got 26 coins and 10 experience points. Experience points are needed to increase your level. With every level you will be getting some bonus, and here you can see, and there is also the competition. The more you work on the site, the more chances you have to win the competition, and the competition run after every 30 minutes for 30 minutes. So there are 2 competitions in every 1 hour, and here you can see the PTC option is also available, and many ads are available here. You can make more than 200 coins from here. Then there is the short link, and many links are available. I completed most of them, and I worked only 15 to 20 minutes on the site, and you can see that I made this much. So 1000 coins are equal to $0.01, and 2380 coins are available in my balance. So let's head to the withdraw, and and if you want to increase your level, then this option is also available. It will give you 10 experience points after every 1 minute. So you can use this to increase your level and get multiple bonus from the site. And in the withdraw section you can see that the minimum is 1000 coins, and here you can see last withdraw. I don't have any, and here you have to select the coin that you want to withdraw. You can see that multiple coins are available for both Express Crypto and Faucet Pay. On the left it is a Faucet Pay, and on the right it is the Express Crypto. Almost all the coins that are available on these 2 for micro wallets is listed here. So I will be requesting to BTC Faucet Pay, selecting it, and I will be receiving this amount, and the minimum is 5 satoshis, and the fees is 0 BTC. I have to add my wallet here, so let me add it. So my wallet is added, and clicking on the withdraw button, you can see that withdraw create with success. Let's go to the home and check if the withdrawals are instant or not. So going on to the withdraw, and you can see that the withdraw is pending. So let's wait for it. So here you can see the payment is completed of the amount of 200 Bitcoin Satoshis, and here is the payment proof. Here you can see 199 Bitcoin Satoshis received from Crypto Lovers BTC and on 20th October. So the site is completely legit and you have to work only 15 to 20 minutes on the site to earn. So this is it with the site, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel that is in the description. The link of that channel is in the description, so stay tuned for more.